Texans lead at 6-3. We get set to play in the second half. It was a normal half until it got crazy at the end. Trevor Lawrence had a 9-yard scramble into Texans territory as he slid at the end of it. Linebacker Azeez Al-Shaair drilled him despite the fact that he was sliding. After that, the Jaguars went down the field and kicked a field goal, so that's where we stand, 6-3, and just a crazy end of the half. So 3rd down and 10 after the 2 incomplete passes. It's going to be an empty backfield here. Dropping his back out of a shotgun. Fires, crossing route. That's gone. That's Brian Thomas Jr. 40, 45, 50. Texans territory along the right sideline. 35, 30. Still on his feet. He's got it inside the 20-yard line. That'll be a first down for Jacksonville near the 13-yard line of the Houston Texans. 30-yard attempt to try and tie the game from the left hash. Kicks it up. The 30-yard field goal is good from Cam Little.
This one. Hit you on one of these. Again, anyone can be in these spots.
They run it with Mixon. He's got all kind of running room. 30, 25, 20. 15, 10, he steps out of bounds. First and goal from the 7 of Jacksonville. Inside handoff, Mixon again to the left side, lowers the shoulder, he's into the end zone, touchdown. Fairbairn's kick, he knocked it through there. A 28-yarder, his 3rd of the day. Play fake by Stroud to start things out, fires it deep downfield, and that ball is going to be caught. The catch is made by Tank Dell in front of Ronald Darby. 3rd down and 10. Need to get it just inside the 12-yard line with the 11 and a half here. It's a blitz, an all-out blitz. Stroud fires, wide open is his receiver. That's going to be a walk-in touchdown. Dalton Schultz was wide open in the right flat. He caught it around the 10-yard line, nobody near him. He waltzed into the end zone, and the Texans extend the lead here at EverBank Stadium. Down 23-6, 12:04 to play in the ball game. Trevor Lawrence injured earlier in the game when he slid down and was hit very, very late by linebacker Azeez Al-Shaair. He was ejected from the game, but Trevor out for the rest of the game with a concussion. Dropping the throws back, fires deep downfield. That ball is caught by Evan Ingram. Little skinny post to the middle of the field. He falls to the ground right after the catch. Inside handoff, running room this time for Tank Bigsby. He got it inside the 40 of the Texans. Best running play of the day for the Jaguars. They leave the offense on the field. They're going for it on 4th and 8 from the 22-yard line. Dropping an all-out blitz here. Fires toward the right corner, and that ball is going to be caught by Parker Washington into the end zone. Touchdown.
Seen the whistle. So I'll try to give it a chance.
Empty backfield, right to left. Here come the Jags, dropping his back Jones. Looking. Fires. That ball is going to be caught by Parker Washington. A little wheel route along the left sideline. Back drops the throw. Looking. Fires toward the back of the end zone. That ball is going to be caught for the touchdown in the back of the end zone. Brian Thomas Jr. for the score. Mac Jones has authored back-to-back touchdown drives for this Jaguars team, taking them right down the field. And that's why they trail by 3 now with 3:31 to play. You got to get a stop here. You've got 2 timeouts left, 3:31, plenty of time in the ball game if your defense can step up one more time. Mixon, the running back, they toss it to the left to Mixon. Jags hit him down at the 46-yard line, and Doug calls his final timeout with 2:31 to play. They hand it to him running to the left. Mixon's going to get hit down. The Jags do a good job there. Get him just shy of midfield. Got to get him stopped on 3rd and 5 from midfield right here. 2 tight end set. Stroud under center. They toss it to Mixon to the left side. The Jags hit him, but he's got the first down. He got plenty of blocking. He just blew through that left side. That'll be a first down. Ventrell Miller made the tackle, but on 3rd and 5, they ran power to the left side. And that'll be a first down to the 42 of Jacksonville.